Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over the new BART AI prompts. In this particular example, we're going to use BART to help us to build an e-commerce brand, something probably related to dropshipping or an original brand with original label. In previous videos, if you saw my channel, we tested BART for using the settings, Google Maps, using for recipes, using for building resumes. You want to make sure you check out the other videos as well. Let's jump onto this example over here. So first of all, you want to scroll down and go to the prompt section and let's click on the prompt. In our example today, we are going to ask BART to help us to build an e-commerce store. So let's jump in. I want to build an e-commerce store on, let's say, eBay or Etsy. Please suggest trending products I can sell and marketing strategies. Let's see what are the basics according to Google BART on this topic and how they can actually help us, right? It was very helpful with the maps. Okay, choosing the platform and trending products to sell online requires some initial research. Okay, platforms, eBay. Okay, so BART AI generates information from Wikipedia over here. We see the logo. It gives you some pinpoints and main difference between Etsy and eBay, right? You will compete with established sellers and lower priced items. Focus on unique or hand to find products in complete competitive pricing. Okay, so eBay, according to BART, it gives us like very good due diligence, saying that if you choose eBay, you're going to compete with very strong competition, people who are selling at cheap, right? So we all know where is the competition. Usually it's harder to make money. The market is usually saturated. Let's see what BART AI is saying about Etsy. According to BART AI, ideal for handcrafted and vintage items. Stand out with high quality photos, detailed description, and strong brand identity. Trending products. So okay, that's good. That's like we just got like a research for dropshipping, right? Essentially, just with one prompt. How amazing BART is, right? In comparison with ChatGPT. Okay, trending products. Once you choose the platform, explore sustainable and eco-friendly products, reusable water bottles, bamboo utensils, upcycled clothing. Okay, personalized items. So we got one recommendation, which is very generic, obviously for eBay, and it gave us a recommendation for handcraft or something that is customizable, that is like perfect for Etsy, right? As you can see, jewelries with custom engraving, phone cases, printed photos, pet accessories. Okay, comfort and wellness products, candles, diffusers, blankets, cushions. Interesting. Tech accessories, wireless chargers, phone stands, portable speakers. I wanna go one step ahead and make things a little more interesting. Let's ask, can you give me information from Google Trends about most searched products so far for 2024. Now things get a little complicated. Let's see how the BART is going to get over the challenge. Okay, we do get some results. Wow, it's still early in 2024. Google Trends does offer some interesting insights into the most searched products. Okay, guys, we're getting ahead of the competition. This is why you have to follow and subscribe to the channel. You just learned something very easy for free that you probably it will cost you hours and hours and hours to learn about. Okay, let's see. Here is the glimpse based on various regions and categories. This is the global category, okay? Air purifiers. Okay, sustainable and eco-friendly products, okay, with the reusable water bottle, we saw that. Smart home devices. The popularity of the smart home technology continues to grow with searches and devices like thermostats, lighting systems, doorbell seeing significant increase. Gaming, laptops and consoles. With the release of new consoles, more powerful laptops. Searches for these products are particularly high among younger demographics. Okay guys, now we're getting into the most important part, the United States searches, okay? Peloton bikes. This is surprising. We all know Peloton, it's down big time. The stock has lost 80% of its value. So let's see. Despite facing some challenges in recent months, Peloton bikes remain a popular search item in US. This suggests continued interest at home fitness solutions, which is cool. Electric vehicles, people are looking to buy Tesla or Ford. As you can see, this is among the most searched brands. Travel. After 2 years of pandemic restrictions, people are eager to travel again. Searches for flights, hotels, and vacation rentals are seeing significant increase in the US. Amazing, we're having UK as well. Let's see the UK. The cost of living in UK. UK is facing a cost of living crisis with rising prices of wood. So this everything is a problems over here, guys. You need to think about solutions that you can provide or turn into a business ideas. Very easy. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay, taking place in June 2024, and it's already generating a lot of interest. Searches for related products like mugs. Okay, some like merchandise. Okay, gardening. Okay, this looks cool. Gardening remains a popular pastime in the UK, and searches for related products like seeds, tools, and plants are steadily increasing. You know what this means, right? All my UK friends now can be looking into capitalizing on some dropshipping seeds, tools, and plants for gardening. As you saw over here, guys, it is very easy. It takes just a couple of seconds. All we gotta do is to put up the right prompts and have a good ideas. This is how simple it is to extract information and utilize Bart AI. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Also hit the like button, guys.